Fish?
Porco, see?
Pork.
It's a churrascaria, but it's actually not carry the meat, but you can just put over here and the grill. So, right now. Uh-huh.
Dois.
Sim.
Hã?
O que é isto?
Cordeiro, cordeiro.
Cupim, não cupim.
Bem.
Cupim. Oh, cupim, sim. Muy bien. Ok. Obrigado. Got myself the plate with churrasco, buffet, a little bit the different. It's Zanetti Grill. It's under the name. It's, I'm gonna get it, put it on scales to get it weighted. A pretty big plate. Pretty big. Obrigado. Just one moment. This is under the name Zanetti Grill. Zanetti Grill. Zanetti Grill is. It's raining right now. In the Centro della Ciudad Rio. Don't remember the name of the street though. That's not a big deal. I don't know, would I be able to deal with all this shit? It's huge. That's huge. Just give it a try. Give it a try. Cupim. Cupim. Very tender. Very nice. Bon appetit. This is Zanetti, churrascaria Zanetti. I just had a lunch. It's a lunch break. For Rio Branco, we're staying upon right now. I had a lunch. It's very hefty with the churrasco. It's right now going to further on investigate surroundings, roaming all over the streets right now. It's a little bit raining, as you can see. But the weather is about 24 degrees. It's quite nice over here. Going to proceed my journey. Rua Miguel or Poto, Miguel Poto. This is kind of market unfolding. Makeshift market. It's a trading street. Downtown Rio city center. Shavishua. It's raining. Raining is fast. Just proceed further on upon the streets. Making angles. I'm walking under the rain after lunch with churrasco. Some kind of Old cathedral from colonial times. We're stumbling upon. Have a look. The fucking rain spoil the passage they walk.
Oi, Ferreiro ranchando a promoção, hein? O barato é aqui, hein? Ferreiro ranchando a promoção, hein?
This is Sara, Comercio Popular, the market Sara. It's very famous in the city center, Histórico de la Ciudad. Have a notice. Have a look, guys. Walking further on. This is Sara, old Sara, Uruguay metro station. Rio Centro commercial area we're walking through right now. Street food, churrasco. Have a look. Pipoca churros, kind of popcorn or something. It's again churrasco. Just walking in a tranquil manner. I am not in a rush. Get to know and getting to know with the environment. City center of Rio. Walking through the Sara market. There's many types of churrasco over here.
Completa.
The food everywhere getting prepared, getting fried. Frango, chicken, whatever you wish. So working every single day as I get it. Today is Wednesday. Uruguayana Centro. Uruguayana. Make an angle a little bit. Corn on the cob. Bijuterias. You can buy Brazilian flag over here as well. Gemstones. craftsmanship from gemstones, from different types of stones. Brazil is very famous with the stones industry, and often different gemstones, not so gemstones. Not pretty gemstones.
Aos lenços. Vou até comprar ele.
Tá me filmando?
Chave chuva. Promoção camisas. 20, 20 or 20 reais. Promoção. Walking under the rain. Commercial area, commercial zona commercial zone, trading center, the market star we're walking through right now. Very nice, very authentic food out here. Let's get through. It's getting through the market. Jabelis.
O peixe tá chegando, hein? Vou deixar
Uruguai no centro.
Só dei valor quando eu te pedi. Vacilei.
Go there maybe. A lot of stuff over here. You can buy shoes, sneakers, zapatos, whatever you wish. The rain is not hampering what's going on in the trading process. It's the best. It's not the best weather to make sales like this under the rain, but it has its own charm, I reckon. Fresh coconut upon the spot. Check it out. Salgados. Such a market, such a trading area, trading zone we found ourselves into.
Olha, tem travesseiro. É o Cotton Blues, travesseiro 100%
Desfile de sapato novo e parcele até 10 vezes.
Compro ouro. Compro ouro. Buying gold. Nice guy. Selling the oro.
Com até 70% de desconto. 70% de desconto. Rei das Malas. Rua Centro Espaços 96.
La Casa del Turista. You can order tours over here as I get it all over the city. And all over Brazil, I reckon. Saara. Ótica Saara. It's a quite big area, quite big market unfolding. It's very cheap, you can buy clothes, 19 reals for the shorts, dividing on 5, you're going to get price in dollars. Okay guys, you've got notion what's going on in the main street, trading street in the city center. Praça Tiradentes. Check it out. Rio Amazonas. Rio Amazonas. Hotels. Rio Madeira. Rio Paraná. A nice sculpture, very massive, empty square. The rain made all people skating around the city, no one in the square. People hide into the different restaurants, city centers, commercial centers, stores. It's only several like me walking under the rain without umbrella, getting soaking wet. But it's okay, I feel myself very relaxing. Should be pretty much vivid area when it's not raining. Right now, heading up towards my casa, my crib, place of staying, Hotel Americano. Teatro João Caetano. Commercial towers of Petrobras, Brazil oil company. We're approaching towards the cathedral. Cathedral getting after the corner. Looming large. Cathedral just in front of us. Skyscrapers of Petrobras, as I mentioned. Cathedral, check it out. This thing is huge. just approaching to the my place of staying. Like this, just serving caipirinha over here. Approaching to my place of staying, my hotel Americano, located just near the Escadaria Saloron, very famous touristic attraction, just in front of us. We're approaching right now. Insanely overcrowded, mostly. Have a look. Escadaria Saloron. I've already filmed. I've already been filming in the night time where less people. But right now, despite the rain, huge amount of people, tourists everywhere. We've got a restaurant, not bad one. That I've been dining several years ago. To be precise, 12 years ago, in 2012, I was here. Escadaria Saloron once again. I'm already ascending and descending upon it. Just get back to my hotel. Americano. I live in a very vivid area. Check it out, building from colonial times all around. Construction is going on all over the place. Mio Hotel Americano. Check it out. Olá. Chega. Filma para o YouTube. Tchau.
Tchau. Quer saber?
Grabando para o YouTube. It was amazing passage, guys, all over the city center.